Okay, so this is my second time making this video, but I was explaining in my last video that I am doing this basically for purposes of helping, for mental health purposes. I'm revamping my page opposed to telling most of my stories and have y'all all in my business. And sometimes I'm just like struggling to find things to talk about. Like, I don't want to come over here and ramble. I want to be able to come on here and give you guys like something to actually think about, something that can help you. Even though not saying that my story can't help, because when we're all going through things, seeing somebody actually overcome a lot of the things that I have overcame helps other people as well. But I just don't want to be a rambler. Like right now, I'm kind of rambling. So that's all I'm saying. I just want to be able to give you guys some structure. So I'm going to change my kind of focus on my channel and do more mental health stuff. So that's why I have mental wellness matters, because mental wellness does matter because you matter. And we're going to talk about more mental health type things. I was reading with the CDC. See if I could change it to the next one, where they was talking about psychological distress on the rise. And with that psychological distress, a lot of people are going through a lot of different things, work. And I think this article was talking about more like work stuff. But it's more than just work stuff that is affecting our people. It is living situations, it's life. A lot of things are affecting our people. So with this article, and I don't know if it's going to play in the background or not, but I just kind of go over the different things that people are going to start experiencing. And I just want to be able to be a light and a voice to those people that are experiencing hardship. I'm going to bring some stories. I'm going to bring some tips and some tricks and things that help me. But I'm only going up from here, and I want to bring you guys along. And because I went to therapy to get help on the things I needed to get help with. Not saying because I'm not a licensed therapist, not saying I'm anything close to therapy, but at least I can be a light in your life. And that's all I want to do. I want to be a light and to help you get through the things that I had to overcome, as far as like suicide, depression, feeling worthy, feeling less than, not feeling worthy, just a lot of different things. And I wasn't going to do a gossip channel because I was like, everybody's doing a gossip channel, and gossip channels is like, it's just your opinion. And like they say about opinions, let's say your opinion is just like a butthole. Everybody has one. Doesn't mean your opinion is better than that person's opinion. It's just your opinion, what you think. So I didn't want to bring that on. So I'm just going to do more mental health awareness type things. So yeah, here it goes. So um, come along this journey with me. And if you wanted me to talk or do anything else, just let me know, and I'll be more than happy to assist you and try to get that done for you.